Today, we are going to discuss Bruner's constructivism theory, but first, let me define you what is constructivism. Constructivism is a learning theory found in psychology which explains how people might acquire knowledge and learn. It therefore has direct application to education. The theory suggests that humans construct knowledge and meaning from their experiences. Jerome Bruner was one of the first proponents of constructivism. A major theme in the theory of Bruner is that learning is an active process in which learners construct new ideas or concepts based upon their current, past knowledge. There are 5 main concepts of Bruner's constructivism theory, namely spiral curriculum, representation of knowledge, theory of instruction, discovery learning, and categorization. Let's talk about spiral curriculum first. In a spiral curriculum, teachers must revisit the curriculum by teaching the same content in different ways depending on students' developmental levels. Curriculum should be organized in a spiral manner so that the students continually build upon what they have already learned. The second factor of constructivism is the representation of knowledge. It has 3 ways: enactive, iconic, and symbolic representation. Enactive representation is an action-based knowledge wherein learning begins with an action, touching, feeling, and manipulating. In math, the next one is iconic representation or image-based learning, where learning can be obtained through models and pictures. The learner can use mental images to stand for certain objects and events. The third way of representation is symbolic representation or language-based style. The learner develops the ability to think in abstract terms and uses symbol system to encode knowledge. The third factor is the theory of instruction that addresses the 4 major aspects. Predisposition to learn is the first aspect, wherein any subject could be taught at any stage of development in a way that fits the child's cognitive abilities. The second one is the structure of knowledge, in which a body of knowledge can be structured so that it can be most readily grasped by the learner, and there are some considerable detail about structuring knowledge, which is understanding the fundamental structure of a subject by means of categorization as a fundamental. The third aspect is the effective sequencing, where the lesson can be presented in increasing difficulty, and the last one is reinforcement, wherein rewards and punishment should be selected and paced appropriately.
Created using Powtoon.